Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Wake on LAN in Windows 11 easily. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Advanced tab. Select Wake on Magic Packet, select Enabled. Select All option under Power Management tab. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. Copy second text from description and paste it. Paste device name. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.